Zima and this is Zenith. We're from South Africa and we've come to have a look at Misfir Cave and marvel at the wonder of the natural sinkhole. It is a very interesting place for adventure climbing. It is a little bit unsafe, as Zenith said. And there's many things that we feel that can be improved for the sightseeing in Qatar, for people to come and see the cave.
For visitors.
For example, there's lots of litter around at the moment, so it would be best that people would not be allowed to bring any sort of food inside or picnic inside the area. Yeah. If there was maybe a what do you call this thing?
A proper fence.
A proper fence, or a barricade around it for safety,
for the
and
animals.
perhaps like if people would want to come and picnic as they are outside, to stay outside, but then make it more comfortable for them. Thatch roof covers and chairs and tables that's built in that cannot be moved. Maybe some fake grass, you know, something that would attract people to come and see the natural wonder, but still not litter the place, yet still enjoy the environment. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.